Hey guys, today we're back working on the Bug. Today we are disassembling the rear A-arms, drum brakes, stub axles, and bearings. As you can see, I have them out on my workbench. We're going to be wire wheeling, sanding these down, and prepping them for paint. We're also going to be prepping them for polyurethane A-arm bushings, and we're going to take these brake lines off, and we may or may not, actually we're not, but we will be making new brake lines for this, so everything will be nice and fresh. And yeah, stay tuned guys. As you can see, we have got the drum off of the drum brakes, and we're going to continue taking all the hardware off of here. We got the stub axle off, and I was just showing you that little spacer. The chamfered end goes in towards the end of the stub axle, and this is the axle nut, so we can just put that back on there for now. Actually, this is the driver's side. No, it's not. That is, no, it is the driver's side. Sorry, it is driver's side. Bump stop goes up, it's driver's side rear. We're going to take these off, this off, to get to this backing plate. These are all froze up. These need to be oiled, and these actually might have to be replaced. I might have to use the other backing plate off of another parts vehicle, but yes, just notate that this is up like so, and your springs and your parking brake lever, and here's all your stuff, and that's what it should look like when you're done. This one came and it's not attached at all, so these are just going to be taken apart and put in bags for now. All right, cool. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, that little circ clip that holds that rear bearing in the part of that A-arm is the pain in the, you know what. I was trying to do it with a needle nose because I couldn't find these, and these are broken, so I had to hold these together so they wouldn't fall apart as I'm pulling the ring off. Dude, I tell you, having the right tools makes stuff go like 10 times faster. Heed the warning, go buy the spring pliers, go buy the pliers for that. You really should get them. I just wasted like 10, 15, 20 minutes trying to get that dang clip off that keeps the bearing in there. But go get tools. Do not use the wrong tools. It'll take you forever. All right, I'm gonna continue to get this bearing out, and yeah. Alright guys, I got that rear bearing out of there. It took a minute. I'm replacing them, so I wasn't really worried about damaging them. I might keep them for spares just in case the new ones ever burn up or do something like that of such. But as you can see, they're all out of there. It's clean, and then I'm gonna probably stuff some paper in there so it doesn't get all dirty, clean it out, and then start taking these bushings off with like a pry bar or something. And then I need to just navel jelly the whole thing and start sanding it down because it's just rust. There's no cracks in here. It's still usable. It's probably not the strongest, but the condition it's in, I can reuse it, so I'm not too worried about it. So yeah guys, and this is going to be the next one we do. But it was a pain trying to get that circlip off of there, guys. It really was. But yeah, if I don't finish this video today, it's because my battery died on my camera. But I'm definitely getting this stuff done. All right, peace.